Hi Year 7s. Okay, here is the first video for our topic on perimeter. So let's look at perimeter at the moment. So this is what we covered in class. So remember, the perimeter means the total length of the outside of a shape, okay? And we were mainly working with rectangles and squares and stuff. So if we have a rectangle that looks like this, all we need to do is add up all the sides. So if this side, so we've got, whoop, hang on, we've got this side is 2.3 meters and this one is 4.1 meters. All we need to do is add all of them together. As it says on the bottom, there are 2 of each side. So we add 2.3 plus 2.3 plus 4.1 plus 4.1. And I said you're allowed to use a calculator for this, so just add them all together. And the total perimeter is 12.8 meters. So remember, we're talking about the outside. So all you do is measure them, add them all together, and you have your total perimeter. That bit's fairly easy. So now let's look at how you might find out the width if you know the perimeter total, but you don't know some of the side lengths. All right, so let's look at this example. Yep, I'm having trouble seeing the screen. Okay, let's say a garden has a length of 3 meters and a perimeter of 16.4 meters. There is a dot in there. What is the width? So if you get given something like that, the easiest way to work it out is to draw it. I would always draw it first. So there it is. We've got 3 meters for the length, and we have no idea what the width is, so I've just written W meters because we don't know what it is. So what we do know is we can write out what we do know, which is here, that says 3 plus 3, because we've got two of the 3's, plus W is equal to 16.4, because the whole thing has to be 16.4, because the question tells us. So we've got 6, because 3 plus 3 is 6, and we have 2 W's. So 2 W's, and we've still got 16.4. Then what we need to start doing is getting W on its own. Remember our algebra skills. So we slowly move things around until we get W on its own. So first of all, we're going to move the 6, because the 6 is in the way. There goes the bell. So what we're going to do, remember, if we move anything to the other side, we just do the opposite of what it currently is. It's currently plus 6, so we minus 6. So we end up with 10.4. Then we want to get rid of the 2, so it's currently 2 times W. Remember, if there's no sign, it's always times. So we divide by 2, because that's the opposite to times. And so W is 5.2. So the width must be 5.2. And that's how you do the perimeter.